this tractor coming down, and I'm slowly approaching this very steep, it's a hard right hand corner. It's not Siberia, it's not Canada, we are in Scotland, 20th of November 2024. Heading back to Fort William, and I wanted to bypass Inverness, and I choose Beauly Road. The weather looks nice, but now it's getting a bit worse. I have one steep hill in front of me, and then I have a downhill bit. First hill, no drama. I've had the sunshine and the black road only a few minutes ago. But now it's a different ball game. I've got a feeling that Gritters has not been on that road at all. That's a moment which I mentioned earlier. You don't see where the verge starts. Now that's a funny corner coming up. I think I'll go into 7th. It's a hard right hand corner. Had a little spin, but no drama. And I'm slowly approaching this very steep downhill bit. And I really think I should have taken Inverness Road. I'll do a brake test. I don't have anyone behind me. I'll do a brake test just to check how much traction I've got. 3, 2, 1. This car made it up. Oh, Limpal, is it bad?
Aye, there's a trailer parked in the middle of the road.
Okay.
Abandoned. There's a couple of cars.
That's the latest update. This bad hill is just in front of me. We'll just have to turn around and go the wrong way. But it was a nice of this guy to let me know what's happening. No, it didn't work out for me at the end of the day, because now I have to go back. But it really shows how nasty the weather can change in Highlands. I didn't expect that. I've seen that cloud coming from a distance. I thought, no, surely it won't make it much worse. I was hoping that I will beat this cloud, by the way. But here we are, heading back. That's an awkward corner. Nice and easy. It's better to be slow than to be sorry. I've seen videos on the internet where lorry just slides with the brakes on, and there's nothing what you can do about it. I don't want to find myself in this situation today. Of course, no retarder. That's important on situations like this, because that could cause you to lose traction. heading for Inverness. It's really amazing what one proper cloud can do. Hard to believe what we just experienced only a few minutes ago. Like always, I would like to thank you all for watching. In this winter especially, remember to stay between the verges and under the radar. I will see you on the next one.